Welcome to the Marketing Success Blueprint, a 5-day challenge for small local businesses designed to transform your marketing strategies and drive success in the digital world. In just 5 days, you'll gain invaluable insights, practical techniques, and actionable strategies to conquer the 5 crucial phases of the customer journey. I'm Dan King, owner and president of Fistbump Media, a digital marketing agency with over a decade of experiences at helping small businesses drive more customer growth. So let's start with the traditional model. The traditional model might be familiar. It's also extremely simple. There's really 3 phases to it. And the first is stimulus. Maybe it's a radio ad, a television spot, a coupon in the phone book, or the customer heads directly into your business. Second phase is the first moment of truth. This is where they actually buy your product or your service. And then there's a second moment of truth, and that's when they tell their friends and family if they loved or hated what they bought. But that version of simplicity simply doesn't exist anymore, and you can't think about your marketing strategy like it does. The traditional buying decision model of yonder years has a wrench thrown in it. And that big old wrench starts with Google. 83% of U.S. shoppers who visited a store said they used online search before going in. Not only do you need a new approach to cater to the way that customers buy today, you need to stand out where customers make decisions. The majority of shoppers have made their decision based on online resources before they even step foot through your physical or digital doors. Further, each step in this decision model is like an onion. There are many layers involved to getting it right. You can segment out the steps a customer takes when making a purchase into 5 phases. First, the awareness phase. This is when interest for your services are generated. Next, the findability phase. This is when your business gets found and stands out due to its visibility, particularly online. Next is the reputation phase. And this is when your business gets chosen by the customer based on their trust of you. And then that takes us to the conversion phase. And this is where you and your customer agree on the sale. And then finally, the advocacy phase is when your business gets talked about based on a customer's experience. As you go further down the funnel, there are less customers in each stage at any one time, and some drop out completely. We want to keep as many customers in the funnel as possible. And there are a lot of ways these stages of the customer journey can be influenced by you as a business owner so that customers move closer to the sale. It's also important to recognize that the customer journey doesn't end after the sale either. For example, a future decision might be impacted by the story of one customer's experience on a review site. And that's what we're exploring in the Marketing Success Blueprint course. But first, you'll need some tools. The Local Business Online Toolkit is offered for small but mighty businesses with more time than budget when it comes to marketing. But this free and self-serve option is the place to start developing your online presence while reducing clutter and efficiency immediately. It's important to note that all of the elements in the Local Business Online Toolkit are also key elements in scaled up packages, just with different service levels and add-ons. Here, you get started in delivering the work yourself. You can grow your online following by sharing updates across socials. You can boost findability through business listing management. Reputation building is easy with review request and response templates. And organized calendars with customer bookings and appointments. So go to fistbumpmedia.com/LBOT now and get access to your free toolkit and enjoy the rest of the Marketing Success Blueprint course, where we'll show you exactly how to use these tools to improve how your business performs in each phase of that customer journey.